My name is Vignesh, I'm 41, I run a software company. So what motivated me to learn investing is to learn this skill so that I can create a supplementary income as well as grow my wealth. I think in VIA you get to understand a lot of the fundamentals which typically you don't really get to see when you start investing. So I've been investing in stocks for a good 5-6 years right now, but most of it has been just based on recommendations or if not certain buy signals that you subscribe. I think VIA actually goes through the entire fundamentals of understanding the company before you actually invest, and that way I think it gives you a lot more sense and understanding as to what you're actually getting yourself into. The most important is cash flow option strategy. So basically you being able to make money without owning the stock as well as with owning the stock. I think that's pretty interesting. Yes, I would definitely recommend VIA to my friends. I think it covers a lot of fundamentals that a lot of us don't really bother into. So you are in good hands when you actually enter VIA.